Problem number 6. If angle A and angle B are acute angles of two triangles such that cos A equal to cos B, then we have to show that angle A equal to angle B. For that, we will take two triangles and show that these two triangles are similar, so that automatically angle A will be equal to angle B. So this is first triangle XYZ and second triangle is PQR, and given cos A is equal to cos B. We have cos A equal to cos B and cos theta is given by adjacent side by hypotenuse. So with respect to angle A, adjacent side is YZ and hypotenuse is XZ. And with respect to angle B in this triangle PQR, adjacent side is QR and hypotenuse is PR. So we'll take YZ by QR is equal to XZ by PR with respect to proportionality of the proportionality property of triangles. So this will be equal to 1, and we say YZ by QR is equal to K and ZX by PR is equal to also K, where K is some constant. So if you cross multiply YZ by QR equal to K, then we get YZ is equal to QR into K and XZ equal to PR into K. And using Pythagoras theorem, we have to prove that XY is proportional to PQ. So for that, we need to first find out the side of XY. So using Pythagoras theorem, XY is equal to root of XZ square minus YZ square, and PQ is equal to root of PR square minus QR square. But this PR XZ XY is equal to root of XZ is nothing but PR square into K square minus YZ square is nothing but QR square into K square. Now if we take XY by PQ, XY will be equal to root of PR square into K square minus QR square into K square by PQ. PQ will be root of PR square by minus QR square. XY by PQ equal to root of PR square K square minus QR square K square. Hope you understood this. We are just substituting the values of YZ and XZ in this particular formula, that is XY is equal to root of XZ square minus YZ square, and we are not substituting anything for PQ. We are keeping it as it is. So here if you clearly observe, K square is common, so we can write XY by PQ equal to K square. If you bring outside of the square root, it becomes only K, so this will be equal to PR square minus QR square by root of PR square minus QR square. So this PR square QR square and PR square gets cancelled. We are only left with XY by PQ equal to K. So from equation 1, this is equation 2. So from 1 and 2, YZ by QR is equal to XZ by PR equal to XY by PQ. Therefore, by similarity of triangles, triangle XYZ is similar to triangle PQR. Therefore, angle A is equal to angle B.